Hello, fine people at the College of Health and Human Services. It's Melissa Perry, Dean of the college. I hope you're having a terrific week. You know, there are so many fine people at our college, and we're celebrating some of the remarkable accomplishments. Terry Ann Gwingab has just been recognized as the Mason September Employee of the Month. Congratulations, Terry Ann. That's a fantastic accomplishment and so reflective of all of your hard work and your endless willingness to help everybody. So thank you, Terry Ann, for your fantastic service to our college and our university. I'm also really excited to tell you that Jim Metcalf is celebrating 50 years of service to our college. Can you imagine the kind of history and the kind of the thousands of students I'm sure that he's impacted throughout his career? Congratulations, Jim. This is really very, very special. I wanted to tell you just a few things that I've been up to in the past few days. Yesterday, I was part of a Dean's Retreat that Provost Mark Ginsburg hosted, and this really was an opportunity for all of the deans across all of the colleges to come together, to communicate, to connect, to build culture, to really exchange and to build relationships. So we talked a lot about shared opportunities. We talked about our passions as it related to education and our fantastic students, research, faculty, the many things that our colleges are doing. So I was really energized by the connections that we were able to build. On Monday, I toured the Science and Technology campus. As some of you might know, I've been a laboratory investigator for over 20 years. And so I'll be moving my laboratory from George Washington University here to George Mason. And so it's clear to me that the Science and Technology campus is a fantastic place for me to situate my lab with an eye toward the opportunity to build more presence in the laboratory sciences in public health and health and medicine in sci-tech. So I'm excited about the many opportunities and the connections and collaborations that we can generate with a variety of different investigators that are already there, a variety of different students, and also faculty and researchers and students that we can recruit in the future. Last Friday, I had the distinct pleasure of being part of George Mason's Convocation. What a fantastic event, and perhaps you saw some of the information and press that was generated from that day. Really quintessential Mason in terms of the way that everyone felt included and how excited and energized leaders were, as well as our thousands of students that are back on campus finally. What a great sense of energy. Part of that amazing cadre of students included for our college, first time ever, 103 direct pathway Bachelor of Science in Nursing students. We are really happy that you're here. Congratulations and welcome. And with that, I want to say that to all of our students, welcome. I hope you're settling in and can't wait to see you soon. Remember, we can do this together.